sugerir, sugerir. Remember the pronunciation, sugerir, sugerir. This means to suggest. So yeah, essentially you are trying to suggest something. And even you can see the translation is very similar to, the spelling is very similar in English and in Spanish. The pronunciation is different, of course, but basically it helps you remember the meaning of this verb, sugerir, sugerir. Now, let me tell you, sugerir, this verb, is an irregular verb. So it's an irregular verb. It has a few irregularities. Well, I would say more than a few. So this means it has a unique conjugation. So if you want to master this verb, you have to learn its conjugation. Pretty much you have to memorize it and practice it. You have to practice, 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 practice. Okay, so let's look at some examples using the verb sugerir. Okay, so the first example is, quiero sugerir una idea. Quiero sugerir una idea para el proyecto. Quiero sugerir una idea para el proyecto. This means I want to suggest an idea for the project. So if you have an idea and if you want to suggest that, you can use the verb sugerir, sugerir. We can see the verb right here. Sugerir, sugerir. Quiero, yo quiero. We don't need yo, we need quiero. And that means I want. You can also say yo quiero if you want. But as I always say, you don't have to say yo all the time. So you can just start off by saying the verb conjugated, and then that's it. Quiero sugerir. I want to suggest. Okay, I want to suggest. Una means an. Idea means idea, the same spelling. So that's great. That's really great. By the way, this is a noun and it's a feminine noun. That's why we're saying una. Una is an indefinite article and it means a or an, and that it's feminine. Una, singular as well. Una idea, an idea. Okay. Para means for. El means the. Proyecto is another noun and it's also masculine. El proyecto, the project. Okay. Proyecto means project. Quiero sugerir una idea para el proyecto. I want to suggest an idea for the project. So, very interesting. Very interesting. If you are at work and you want to suggest something, you can use this verb definitely. You can use this verb in many different situations. At work, at home, with friends, with family. So it's a very good one. Now let's look at the next example. Let's see what we have here. Ella sugirió leer este libro. Ella sugirió leer este libro. So this means she suggested reading this book or just to read this book. Okay, so let's break this down. I just need to drink some tea. 1 second. Actually water because there's no more tea. Okay, so let's break this down. Let's see how this sentence works. Ella, 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 ella means she. Sugirió, sugirió means suggested. Leer, well, we have the verb we're learning right here. Sugirió, past tense. Él sugirió. He suggested. Ella sugirió. She suggested. Nosotros sugerimos. We suggested doing something. Okay, in this case, leer means reading. Now, you can see this in the infinitive form, which means it's not conjugated. This verb right here, leer, comer, correr, reír, hablar, those are infinitive forms of verbs. So you don't conjugate the verb if you have a conjugated verb before the other verb, the second verb. Sugirió leer. In English, you have the gerund right here. In Spanish, it's very likely that if you have a verb conjugated, the next verb is going to be in the infinitive form. Again, that means you don't conjugate the second verb, okay? So, sugirió, that's conjugated, and then the second verb, leer, that's not conjugated. Este means this. Libro, book. Este, of course, means this, as I said before, but this is masculine. This, masculine. Este libro, this book. Este carro, this car. Este trabajo, this job, okay? Now, if you have a feminine noun, because obviously libro is a noun and it's masculine. If you have a feminine noun, then it will be something like this. Esta, and then the feminine noun. Esta revista. Okay, and that means magazine. La revista, that noun is feminine. Esta is necessary because it's also feminine. It's the feminine form to say this. Esta revista, this magazine. Esta casa, this house. Esta comida, this food. Okay, so keep that in mind. You need to make like the whole sentence, it needs to make sense. So you have to use feminine or masculine adjectives, feminine or masculine articles, and so on. So everything needs to match. Excellent. So, este libro, this book. Okay, perfect. So remember, sugerir is a verb. It means to suggest. It's also irregular. And this was like the basic meaning of this verb. So just keep that in mind. Excellent.